Do you know many people are having trouble with keeping their Lasko heater clean? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug heater. Turn off and unplug your Lasko heater to ensure safety before you start cleaning. Step 2. Vacuum exterior. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently clean the exterior and intake grills. Step 3. Brush grill. Grab a soft brush or toothbrush to loosen any dirt that remains on the grills. Step 4. Check dryness. Ensure all parts are dry and free of dust before plugging in and starting the heater again. Step 5. Maintain regularly. Follow this routine regularly to keep your heater in optimal condition. By following these steps, you should be able to maintain your heater efficiently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lasko users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.